We have two new exciting updates to Member View. A few weeks ago, we released the feature to view as a specific member, and now you will be able to view a full join flow on a particular plan, and then even seeing what that hypothetical plan member has access to at the end of joining. So here I am in my plans list, and I'm going to go ahead and go to the three-dot menu, and I'll see this new option to view as plan member or plan join flow. I'm going to go ahead and click Plan Join Flow. Plan Member is going ahead and sort of jumping to the end of the join flow and then seeing what that member has access to on this particular plan. So I'm going to click Plan Join Flow. And then in this modal, you have a couple of options here. So you can decide whether you want to start this join flow as a new member. So this would be a visitor experiencing the full sign up flow, or a full member. So this is an existing member of your Mighty Network and what they would experience. So I'm going to choose new member just for this demo. And then you choose a starting point. So you have three options here. This is the plan landing page. When you created the plan, you added images and videos, benefits, things like that. That's where they would land. Create account is where they would add in their email, their name, their profile, things like that. And then sign in would be where they would just sign in. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the plan landing page here and click Start Checkout. And so now I'm dropped into a simulation, essentially, where I am seeing what a hypothetical member would see. This is my plan landing page. I can click subscribe. And then this is the create account page. So if I had chosen that other option, I would have dropped into this experience here. So here's your first name, last name, email, password, and then what the charges would be. But I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. Add in a profile photo, and then they would get to the payment page here. And then I'm going to go ahead and skip this step. And then this is our terms of use, which you will go ahead and confirm. And then they are dropped into what they have access to. So you can see at the top here, I am viewing as a plan member that is part of this plan. I can switch to view as a specific member if I would like to from here, or I can view as a different plan. So if I wanted to check out guide membership and see what a hypothetical plan member has access to there, I could do that. Dropping into this experience gives you lots of options to view your network as either hypothetical members of a plan or specific members as well. And then if you go ahead and click exit, it will take you out of that simulation. And then in the three-dot menu here, you can also find that view menu as plan member or plan join flow. And then also on these share links down here, so we have the plan landing page, sign in, and also create account. You'll see that there's these little links that you can click here, which will drop you into the flow. So if I wanted to click view as a new member to check out my plan landing page, I could do that here. If I wanted to view it as a full member to show you just a little bit of a different view, view as full member, you can see that I am inside of the network. I am a full member of the network, and this is what the plan landing page looks like to be here. So we hope that this feature gives you a lot more confidence in what you're building on Mighty Networks, especially around plans and access.